are coming to the last chapter of this term 1, addition. Adding two things together. Let's take a simple example. Tomorrow in your school, there's social, there's science, there's math and English. You have your timetable, remember? In school we have timetable? Yes. So, we have to take the social and science textbook, we have to take the math and the English textbooks. So, how do we know how many textbooks will be in our bag? You just add everything together, my social, my science, my math and my English. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you add it. Mom tells you go and buy 2 tomatoes and 2 onions. So, how do you do it? So, you add the 2 tomatoes and then the 2 onions. So, you are going to have 4 things in your bag when you come back. These 2 words are called add-ins. Okay? 2 and 2 are called add-ins. This is called a sum. Okay? Will you remember? Always the 2 numbers that we are adding are called add-ins. The 2 numbers we are adding is called add-ins. Easy, no? And the answer or the result is called the sum. Okay? We started with that. Now we will go on to addition itself. Okay? So, the first type of addition that we are going to learn is without carry forward. That is the easy sums, okay? But does not mean that the others are difficult, so you should not get scared. No. Let us go and once we remember from beginning we have been saying whatever you practice and perfect, you will never forget all your life. Okay? So, do not worry about these words. So, first we are going to see without carry forward. They are simple and easy, okay? Let us take some examples from your textbook itself. Page number 72. Let us go back to our place house, okay? Ones and tens, ones and tens. So, the sum that is given is 58 and 31. So, remember, we do not have to carry forward anything. I will tell you what is carry forward. So, let us see what is the answer. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, we got the answer 89. The next one. Example, Sudha scored 148 marks in mathematics and 121 in science. Total, how many marks did she get? Let us look at it. Sudha got how much in mathematics? 148. 148. Remember? And then she got 121 in science. How do you call it now? 121. Now, we have to see what is the total she got. Okay? So, what do we do? Add. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, we got the answer 269. The concept of addition is same. Do not worry at all. But it is just one, it is a 4-digit number. That is the only difference. That does not have to worry you. Let us do the math. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, we got the answer 6,556. Remember the place values again? 6,550 and 6. Got it. Clear. Okay. Look at the practice sums in page number 73. All are very, very easy. You will do it in no time. It will be like a 3-minute noodle, even faster. Again, there are more sums for us to practice. in page number 74. You will become champions at the end of it because you've practiced so much. Now, we have understood what is without carry forward. We didn't have to do anything. Now we will do with carry forward and then we will understand what's the difference between the two. Rahul Dravid, very famous personality, no? Scored 28 runs in the first ODI and 35 runs in the second. So, totally how many runs did Mr. Rahul Dravid score? Let's see. We will first write it down and according to the place values. 28 and he also scored 35. Okay? We are going to remember, we are going to learn with carry forward. So, what do we carry forward is the question, because it is math, we only carry forward numbers. Easy, no? Okay. What is 5 plus 8? 13. So, what do we do with 13? We can't write two numbers here, right? So, let us write 3 and then we carry forward 1 to the tens column. That is what it is. Then we will continue to add as normal. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, remember, there is one 1 sitting on top of this. Okay? So, then you add the 5 also with this number and you get the answer 6. So, this is the score of Mr. Rahul Dravid in the ODI. But what are the things we learned? We carried forward 1 and then that 1 we added to this. 3 plus 2 is 5. We added plus 1. So, we got the answer 6. And carry on here, you pass on here. If you get a carry on here, pass on here. That's simple as that. Okay? We will look at the sums, don't worry. Alright. Now, let us for practice do the next one. Add 78 and 89. Let us do it. Okay? Just so that you will have a better understanding of, remember this is with carry forward. So, it is 78 and 89. 8 plus 9 is 17. We cannot write both the numbers, a single digit has to come here. Okay? So, what do you do? It is 17. So, we carry 1 forward here. Okay? And then we continue to add this normally. 7 plus 8, 15. And then what do we do? Don't forget the person who is sitting here, okay? We take this and add to the 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Now, what do we do about the 1? Go to the hundreds. Got it? 167 is the answer. Page number 76, there are more sums. But come down to the last part of 76, there are 3 digits. Okay. Will that worry you? No, because you have already learned how to do it. Okay? Okay, let us see. Let us make the house again. Okay? 45, 13, 24. So, there are 3 sets of numbers for us to calculate. Should not worry you at all. Okay? Addition is the same. How many ever numbers change? Addition is without carry forward or with carry forward. That is all you need to know. The rest everything confidently go and do the addition. Alright? This one, there are 2 methods of doing it, but don't worry. Both the answers will be same. In both, the answers will be the same. That is the beauty about addition. So, we can either do 40, we can do all, first one type we will try. 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay? And then we carry forward 1 here. Then what do we do? 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then we add this number to the answer here. Okay? 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, 7 plus this 1 is, answer is 8. Okay? Now, let us see the second method of doing if there are 3 sums. Okay? If there are 3 addends, what is the method? The second method is same, you will get the same answer. Now the second method of doing a 3-digit one is, we can add the first 2 and to the answer we get, we add this 24 and then we will get the answer. Let us try it. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? We got the 58. Now, we will add 58 and 24. Let's see if we will get this answer. If we didn't get this answer, then it is wrong. But if we got the answer, then there are 2 methods. That's all you need to know. Okay? 8 plus 4 is 12. You carry forward 1 here. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then you add this carry forward 1 to it and you get the answer 8. Yay! We got the answer. So do not worry whether it is 3 addends or 4 addends or 5 addends, don't worry. Addition is the same. To make it easy for you, there are 2 methods. You add all the addends at one time, or to make it easy for you, you add 2 addends and then with that answer you add the next addend, okay, and then you will get the answer. The answer will be the same whatever the method. It's up to you to choose the method based on what is comfortable for you, but both ways you will get the same answer. Look at the practice exercises in page number 77. Easy. Then page number 78, we have to carry over and there are 3-digit numbers. Then in page number 79 are 3 addends, 1, 2, 3 addends, and then you have to get the answer. Do you want to try one? For example, let's do 581 in page number 79. Okay, let's draw our house. Just to make things easy for you, you don't have to draw the house when you have learnt it very well. Okay, till you learn, we just have to do. So the sum is 581. The second addend is 105 and the third addend is 155. So these are the addends that we are going to add together and you get the answer, the sum. Okay, let's try our first method, add everything together. First method, okay. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So we got 2 digits here, so we are going to carry forward here, okay. 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, okay. So to 13 we add this one number, so we get the answer 14. So we can't write 14 here, so we will just write 4 and then we will go on to do again carry forward 1 here to the hundreds. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, okay. Otherwise 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So you got the answer 841, okay. Otherwise what's the second method? You add 581 and 105, okay. To the answer that you get, you add 155. So let's try that also. 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 0 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6. We got 686. So the second part, we add the next addend, 155, 1, 5, 5. Okay, let's see what's the answer. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we carry forward 1 here, 1 here. 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1, 14. So we write the 4 and then we carry on 1 here. So 6 plus, it's not 16, it's 1 here, okay. 6 plus 1 is 7 and then 7 you add this, carry forward, you get the answer 8. So our earlier answer was 841. Both methods you got the same answer. So, number 1 is you can use this method to find out if your answer is correct, or second thing, whichever is convenient for you, so that you will get the addition easily. Okay. So, exercise page number 79, and everything is exercise, so we will not go into details. It is for you to practice and make yourself perfect. But one interesting fact about addition that is given here in page number 80 is very important. Let us read that quickly. When two or more numbers are added in any order, the sum remains the same. So, that is the example we just learned. Any order, adding all the 3 together or adding 2 and then adding the second number to the answer. Either ways you will get the same answer, not to worry at all. Just learn how to add and carry forward. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is a number itself. Yes, we all know 11 plus 0 is 11, 8 plus 0 is 8. The same answer we get. Anything we add to the 0, we get the same answer. The last important or interesting fact about addition is, when we add 1 to a number, the sum, remember the sum is the answer. The sum is the next number, easy. Any number, 1 plus 1, 2. You get the next number that will come after 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 100 plus 1, 101. So, any number plus 1, you will get the number that will come after that. Easy, right? So, look at the number of examples that are given for you to practice. I can assure you by the end of this, you will be a champion in addition. Look at the examples in page number 84 also. There are more sums for you to do and solve in your notebook. Okay, that brings us to the end of this unit, and I hope you have learned everything about additions. It's simple, easy, but once you get the concept, you are ready to go for all the classes, all the addition sums. All right.